Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the EM Trader. So now we can see the US index which are tradable. So how this week index has behaved, we can see that. Okay guys, this is the one of the analysis that on the Sunday you can see that this is the resistance area what we have discussed. This is acting as support, so it come downside, so it act as resistance. This is the one of the major trend line. If it will consolidate then break, then gives us very nice momentum. You can see here what happened. After that it came back, taken resistance first time, second time. After that you can see that this is the one of the major trend line. However break, you can see that how nicely it given us our target. Okay guys, this is enough. 1:4 at least you have gained here. Okay guys, this is the one of the major supporting areas because here only it turns around. After that you can see that once again it came here and come down once again. Okay then, after that on 23rd it open a slightly gap up. After that this is the area where the we have drawn a trend line. Here only it turns around once again, given us this is the our first target. Okay guys, after that it's going upside. Okay guys, but what happened, this is the price action. What happened, you have booked. After that you can see that it goes downside after it taken resistance from this area. Okay guys, this is the supporting area, now act as resistance area. After that you can see that how nicely it gives us target. Okay guys, this is the nicest target you have got on 23rd. Okay guys, on 24th you know that the Russia and Ukrainians that incident, so that's why a gap down opening has happened. After that you can see that this is the one of the major trend line you can see here. Okay guys, this is the trend line. However this is crossed, you can see here. However this is crossed, you can see that it taken support also, it given us. This is the price action also here, you can see here. This is the price action, goes upside, came once again down. After that it breaks, so you have to take your position. I know that you got very less time to take this trade, but you got here first trade. If you have not traded here, you have got here. Okay guys, this is the two area where you have got your profit. Okay guys, after that you can see that this is the area where we have discussed this is the supporting zone. Okay guys, I will just once again draw it here. You can see here. Okay guys, it opened slightly a gap up only, big bullish candle. After that it came once again downside. After that this green candle you have seen, you have bought somewhere here and your SL will be this green candle only. You can see that whole day it moves at upward side momentum. Okay guys, this is the Dow Jones average industrial analysis. Now we can see Nasdaq 100 index analysis. Okay guys, on 18th only you can see that this is the one of the trend line. What I am seeing is that, okay guys, after what happened, a slightly gap down open. After that it made an M pattern. You can see that after this is broken, you can see that this green candle broken. Okay guys, you have to buy it. You have buy it somewhere here. Your first target will be here and second target will be here. Okay guys, these are the two targets. Hope you have achieved these two target. Okay guys, this is taken resistance. So what I have seen that this is act as a resistance. You can see that once again it came once again downside. Okay guys, here you have buy it put somewhere. Your first target will be here. After that it once again buyer try to take it upside. After that it came once again downside, it taken resistance. You can clearly see that it taken resistance. After that it came once again downside. The whole day you have got input, you have buyed also. You have got very nice momentum because this is one-sided momentum only. Okay guys, after that we have seen on 24th, you can see that a gap down open. After that it is making a price action only. So if you want to trade at that day, you have to seen this only one thing. This is the trend line. Okay guys, this is the trend line. After this break, very less time is there, at least 2 hours left. You have buyed here also. You can see that here only taken resistance also, but it doesn't break here. Okay guys, after that you can see that how nicely one-sided momentum came. Okay guys, like this you have to trade. You have seen the on 25th slightly it just open a sideways only open. and just going to upside but continuously consolidate and closed. Okay guys, this is the Nasdaq 100 analysis we can see in Russell 3000. Okay guys, you can see that at 18th I have told you this is the major resistance area. After that you can see that M pattern is made in. After that the M pattern once again here made in, and this is the thing. Just a second here. Okay guys, oh, what happened? Okay, this is the where buyer are have to take it up, otherwise the here sellers came. You can see the break. After that how nicely it gives us our target, nice target. Okay guys, this is the thing you have to see how it can behave. Okay guys, after that once again it came back. Okay guys, just I will remove this and make one of the major resistance area. Okay guys, here from here. Okay guys, from here only. Okay guys, because of previous also you can see here this area also I have not taken this area because it will confuse you. That's why this area is continuously acting as supporting area. Now it act as supporting, after break it act as resistance, once again act as. This day also you can see that if you seen that this is acting as resistance, you can see that how nicely it gives us our first second target. You can see here this is the our target. So our first target, second target, after that some reversible come. After that also you can see here this is the day low. After that it tested whenever it came down. Once again I will tell you that support is broken. Once again it came and test, then you have to surely buy a PE or short your call. Okay guys, because it goes downside only, because this is tested. Okay guys, buyer has to take it upside. If it doesn't, sellers comes once again, then it will sellers opportunity whole day. Okay guys, like this. After that big gap down we have seen. Okay guys, here also same thing. You can see that this is the one of the major trend line. After this break you can see that how nicely one-sided movement in mean upside. Okay guys, after that what we have seen, it opened flat only. After that it open, you can see that it crosses its day high. After that it taken support once again because of day high. After that it continuously goes upside and taking a resistance from here only and consolidating. Okay guys, this is the Russell. Now we can see in SPX 500. Okay guys, this is the SPX 500. You can see that, and on 18th also it just consolidate and closed. Okay guys, after that you can see here what I have told you, M pattern. If it will breaks, then you can go for surely put buy or you can call short. Okay guys, this is the thing is that. Okay, you can see that how nicely it came back. Okay guys, this is the one of the major resistances. After that it opened gap up, but what happened, sellers taken it downside once again. Retested. I have not done anything. It exactly I have touched it touches. After that you can see that how nicely fall it happened. Okay guys, this is the thing of how I have analysis. You have to also can analyze like this. Go and check out my video, that learning video, trend line and support and resistance, how it works, how you have to draw, how you have not to draw, what is the causes. Okay guys, after that I will post or give you in the link in the description. You can see here one of the major trend line is like this, but you can take it like this, or you have not read it because Dow Jones and Nasdaq already given it us very nice trade. If not given, you can see here this is the trend line. After that you can see that if you have taken here also, then it taken resistance once again. After that it breaks. You can see that after this break, this is high because this is day low. After this is break, how nicely one-sided momentum you have got. Okay guys, remember, always remember that day low, yesterday's day low or day high is breaking, so it gives us very nice momentum. Okay guys, you have to remember this. I have told you this is act as a supporting area. You can see that it came open slightly gap up, bullish candle. After that seller trying to take it downside. After that buyer is dominated whole day. After that continuously buyer and seller fight, so it continuously consolidate and like a sideways market. Okay guys, after this after 12 o'clock 12 p.m. only, it is gonna sideways. Okay guys, now we can see in HGX. Okay guys, in HGX also what we are seeing, you can see that continuously consolidating only. Okay guys, after that slightly gap down open. Okay guys, after that you can see that M pattern. Okay guys, this is broken. So whole index, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, all are coming down, so it cannot be goes upside, momentum goes. Okay, only gold and silver index I will show you, that will goes upside. You can see that once again retested, came downside. Okay, like this only you have to see. You can see here, this is all same what I have analysis. You can see here continuously taking resistance from here only. Okay guys, continuously taking, after break it retested. After that you can see that how nicely rally you have got. Okay guys, this is the rally what we have to capture as a option buyer. Okay guys, if you are option seller, you have to nothing do. If it is consolidating, you have to sell this, these called 410, 415, this type, and your SL will be very small, so it continuously goes upside. So you have to short put or sell call, so you have got very nice momentum. Here you have to sell your puts, so you have got very nice momentum in upside. So put value will decreasing. Okay guys, like theta decay. Okay guys, after that you have seen that how nicely it gives us momentum. After that it open a slightly flat only. After that this is acting as a day high. After that day high is broken. You can see that how nicely upside momentum it given us. Okay guys, we can see in Nasdaq banking index, this is also same. I will not explain you because it is nothing it has, because this is the day high. You can see that it taken resistance from there only and taken it downside. After this you can see that continuously taking downside momentum only. Here you have to shorted it. Okay guys, your stop loss is somewhere here only. Okay guys, stop loss it. Okay guys, nothing will happen because you have got Dow Jones and Nasdaq is correct. Okay guys, this is the confusing market, so we do not trade here in BKX. Okay guys, in SOX, this is semiconductors index. You can see here here you can see that it is taken here only support. After that made an M pattern, broke, came downside. You have got very nice target here also. Once again it tries to take it upside. Okay guys, you can see here once again this is the area where seller is most dominated here. This is the area. Okay guys, this is the area where seller are more dominated. Here you can say that taken seller's downside, once again buyer take it upside. But what happened, it taken a resistance from here only and came downside once again. This is the thing what you have to analyze. Okay guys, this is the trade when you have to take on a trade. You can see here one of the major trend line. You can see that trend line is broke. Just a second, it drawn wrong. Okay, I will made a fresh. Okay, this is broken. You can see that how nicely momentum. After that it taken support. You can see that continuously consolidate and not given us. As a buyer you have lost your money only because this is theta decay, so it doesn't gives us very nice momentum. Okay guys, we can see next index. This is the index where I am telling you it act as a, whenever stocks and index is falling, remember that gold and silver sector will boom. Okay guys, after you can see here 20th, it is continuously consolidating and coming downside. Okay guys, after that news has came, Ukraine and Russia. You can see that how nicely it given us upside momentum. After that consolidate. After that very big gap up open. After that something US and Nasdaq, both market are dominating on that day. That's why it continuously consolidate and came downside. That's why. Okay guys, I will show you also. Just give me a second. I will show you Tesla. Okay guys, Tesla. You can see that how nicely on 24th. Okay guys, how nicely sharply came upside. Okay guys, that's why. That's why only it came downside, because whoever big investor whoever has buyed here gold and silver, they are exited from here. You can see that how big red candle, two red candles exited from here, or they buy the put or call shorting. Okay guys, big investor. And some investor, what do they buy here? Tesla, because this is around 700. You can see that 700 to 800 within one day, means 10%. You can see that 10% they can getting here. That's why they have shorted and taken their profit. After that, you can see that here also, you can see that price action. After that, it comes once again to retest. You can see that this is the high, taken retest and goes upside. Okay guys, here you can see that it is continuously consolidating. That's why gold and silver is making some of the high. You can see that on gold, when it fallen, the stocks are performing very nice. You can see that with 700 to 800 within one day, means almost 10 to 12% at least. You can see that this is 14%, at least 14%. You can see that 14% profit in a Tesla stock, or you have buy the option of Tesla. You can see that how big momentum has done. You can see that it tries, buyer are trying to take it upside, but seller are continuously taking buyers and taking it downside. But what happened after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times? After that, it is become a low. This resistance become low and broken upside. Okay guys, this is the key point you have to remember also. Okay guys, whenever a seller or buyer, this is the seller perspective. After that, first time they came, second time, okay guys, third time it goes down, fourth time goes down. After that, third time is enough, but fourth time also it taken resistance. Then fifth time definitely it will breaks and gives us very nice momentum in upside momentum. Okay guys, like this, if it doesn't gives us momentum in upside, no worry about it. You can short call, short put in downsides, whichever you can, 17, 730, 740, 710, whichever you want, you can short. So it will consolidate also, then also time decay in your favor. That's why you have to take this look. Okay guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, The AM Trader. I will give you link in the description also. Please guys, I need your support, so please subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you guys.